Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you the playlist of this channel. So, after searching Aminulchem innovation, this interface has arrived. So then go to playlist and see. The first one is column adsorption kinetic models, column adsorption, then chemical analysis, then colloids, then Mandeli, all videos in one place, solution chemistry, Langmore isotherm, model, nanotechnology, then shorts, data potential, acid-base titration, MS Excel tips and tricks, live Q&A session, then SCM and EDX adsorption, MS Word tips, TJ study, FTIR, surface complexation model, UV visible spectra, XPS study, adsorption thermodynamics, Aminulchem innovation. Then publication tips, origin tips and tricks, scholarly profile creation, surface chemistry, point of zero charts. So these are the playlist of my channel. So if you would like to have interest on origin tips and tricks, then click on it, then this interface will come and start playing. So that's for today. Thank you so much for watching.